Good morning, students. In our previous lecture, we discussed standards and comparator. What are the different types of standards? Line standard, end standard, wavelength standard, its difference. Today, we'll see what is slip gauges. Basically, slip gauges is one of the type of end standard. It is rectangular blocks made up of steel with cross section 30 by 10 mm. They are classified with their accuracy. The slip gauges are simple standards used for linear measurement, uh, and it's one of the standards. They are made with different materials, most of them produced from high carbon, high graded steel, and a different process are happens on that slip gauges. That is a hardening process, stabilized by a heat treatment process to give a high degree of dimensional stability. Then stainless steel, chrome carbide, tungsten carbide. These are the some materials in which the slip gauges are available. Let's see what is slip gauges. Is it visible to all? Hello. Okay. So these are the slip gauges and available in different formats or different sets. So let's see, this is a slip gauge. It's also called as Johnson gauge blocks because it was developed by Johnson. Then it available in 30 by 10 is standard size. Need of slip gauges. So why the slip gauges are most important? So in tool room there are lots of precision work and micrometer vernier caliper having tolerance with to check tolerance fine within 0.002 to 0.02 mm, but for getting high degree of tolerance and high accuracy we have to use slip gauges. Slip gauges are available in different grades, so there are total 5 grades, we'll see later. uh, Material, as we know, they are made by high grade steel, uh, tungsten carbide. Then various materials are used for manufacture of these steel slip gauges. uh, Slip gauges are available in 5 grades: grade 2, grade 1, then grade 0, grade 00, and calibration grade. These are the 5 types of grades in which the slip gauges are available. So grade 2, this is used in workshop for rub check. So lots of jobs are performed in workshop. For rough checking we have to use this grade 2 type of slip gauge. Next, grade 1, this is used for very precise work such as setting of sign bars, checking gap gauges, measurement of components, tools, etc. After that, grade 1, next one is grade 0. Grade 0, it is used for tool room, for machine shop inspection. Grade 00, this is also termed as inspection gauge block. This is used for highest precision work such as measuring grade 1 and grade 2. Next one is calibration grade. This is special grade and is for experimental work, research work, and for measurement inspection of another gauges. So these are the 5 types of grades of slip gauges. Next one is ringing process. Ringing process means, as we know, the slip gauges are used for measurement of linear measurement, and these are the rectangular blocks. With the help of that we can build required dimension height, and for belting required dimension height